some of these other ones. All right, so Peloton. Peloton, I don't know if you guys can see the camera. I can't see my camera, but Peloton on Friday was one that was like my number one setup for a longer term squeeze. Basically using the 50 simple moving average as a support, and I had the idea of just longer term, everybody staying home, coronavirus names, it's setting up, it had good earnings. And so Peloton is on watch, same idea for these squeezes. It's got a 195, a 130. You know how we look for stacked squeezes, a 2 hour and a 78. So you see how we've got all these stacked squeezes going on Peloton? So again, follow the rules. Wait for a pullback if you didn't get in on Friday. Wait for a pullback to the 8, at least, minimum. And these purple lines, those are anchored VWAPs from different swing lows. That's all that is. So if we can get a pullback to that area, that's where I'm looking to get in. Let me actually pull this over to my my bigger screen and get some good lines in there. All right. So really, once I zoom in, if yeah, about that 83, if we can get it at 84-ish range, I think that'll be great. So that's what I'd be looking for, guys, is now what you have to realize with these guys is if we don't get a pull to this range, I'm still going to play this. If it's too strong, but I'm going to play it on shorter term time frames. So I'll switch to, and this is how Nate does it with his Lotto X, right? He switches to, well, look, there's a 30-minute squeeze that we could have played, right? And bam, look what it did. So if this is showing more strength and it looks like it wants to come up here to go higher, I'm switching down to a shorter time frame. But ultimately, if I can get this for around 84, which would be right around the 8 on the 195. Let's see. So many lines. Hold on one sec. So it'd be around the 21. So between the 8 and the 21, yeah, that would be golden. That's like A plus. I don't know if you guys, for those that know Anant, he plays a very safe plays. That's the Anant play. It's a safer play. Yeah, you're right. And so I wish I could switch screens with you, but once I zoom in, once I get it on my bigger screen and I look at the support, the top side of that support is pretty heavily at basically 86. And the bottom side is 84. So